Okay, so here what I'm going to do is, using the scissors, I am going to cut off all of this extra tissue, and so that I can get a better view of the actual eye. So I'm using the scissors. Okay, around the back, I'm going to have the optic nerve coming out. So I'm going to try to protect that, okay, as I'm cutting through the tissue. Okay, so all of this extra right here, cut all of that off. Okay, I'm just trying to get as close as I can to the eyeball. And on some of yours, you may not see the optic nerve, but there you can see the optic nerve right here coming out the back. I'm going to try to preserve that as I am cutting through the tissue on the outside. Okay, so I'm going to continue around. Okay. Cutting off all of that extra tissue. Well, at least more of it than was cut off initially. Okay. So you can see this heavy piece of tissue right here. That is the optic nerve coming out the back of the eye. So that's what I want to preserve as I am cutting off the tissue. Okay. Notice there is a lot of fatty tissue surrounding the eye. Obviously that's for protection. Okay. So that as you move around, your eye is not bumping into bone. Okay, it's going to be protected by that tissue. Okay, so here we have the eye now with most of that outer tissue removed. Okay, and the eye, which you can clearly see this optic nerve. Okay, all right, so here's the eye with most of that tissue removed, and then you can clearly see that optic nerve. All right, then we're going to get into the next part.